갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.
Meet Perseverance Rover, a robot that has been landed safely on the surface of Mars on February 18th. Its mission is to take sample of surface rock from Mars back to the Earth.
We're getting signals from MRO. Tango Delta.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sand.
너 때문에.
This video will break down the task guide and task-specific clarifications for the airdrop project as a very simple modeling for safe landing design. You are expected to use the knowledge from the impulse and momentum theory.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고.
This document consists of 4 main parts. The first one is the task guide. The task guide is the part where you will see the complete instructions and the objective of the summative assessment. The second one is the template of your report, where you later on will write your report on it. The third one is the task-specific clarification. This is where you need to meet the expectations and understand the expectations of the teacher. At the end of the assessment, you are required to do your self-assessment using these task-specific clarifications to determine and conclude what is your level of achievement according to you. The last part is the ATL part. This is the expectation from the teacher for you to show the ATL skill that you have practiced during this unit.
아무런 일도 할 수 없는 건
Now let's break down the task guide. There are 3 main components of task guide: the story, the statement of inquiry, and assessment criteria.
고백할게.
It's important for researchers like Jesse and his students to understand how thrusters disrupt surface materials in such a way that could affect landing or damage the spacecraft.
If you want to do accurate predictive modeling, we really need to do simulations that are running today on some of the biggest supercomputers.
You can see that in the early development of Perseverance rover, scientists used computer modeling to predict what would happen during the landing. This is aligned with our statement of inquiry, saying that modeling can be used to observe the pattern and later to generate an innovation in science. Even though we don't use a very sophisticated computer to model the landing, the airdrop project can be used for a very simple modeling for a safe landing design as long as you consider all the fair scientific investigations. That's why in this summative assessment, the criterion of assessment that we are going to use is criterion B, design and investigation, and criterion C, to collect and interpret the data.